This month, we are happy to present Common Threads as our community partner. Common Threads has been a partner with Mesquite ISD Family Engagement in providing healthy cooking classes to parents, families, and children. We have certified chefs that come by and teach the class. It's a hands-on, interactive course where parents and children can learn about the differences between what is a healthy meal and what is not a healthy meal. We also offer a program called Small Bites, which is an after-school program promoted in the schools where children learn what is the difference between healthy snacks and non-healthy snacks. They get to enjoy and prepare these meals within their classroom and then get to taste test it. In addition, Common Threads has also provided produce boxes with fresh fruits and vegetables for our families attending any of the cooking classes. We are so excited about all the new adventures Common Threads will host for us at the Family Engagement Center and at all of our schools. Thank you once again for showing us how to have a healthy lifestyle.